Hey, what's up? It's me here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Poco X4 Pro. I bet you have already watched some reviews from these big YouTubers, but now, here, I'm going to give you my honest opinions. Not like those maybe, sponsored by Poco company or maybe sent by someone else and they feel embarrassed or unwilling to speak the defects. But not for me, because I didn't get this phone from the factory or from any shop. It's from my friend Simi. So I can say whatever I want. Okay, this is so Poco style, Poco X4 Pro. 5G connectivity with very best on local operator capabilities. By the way, I have created a shorts channel. Please subscribe if you want, and I will try to make it short, of course short, and funny. Yeah, try to be funny. Here is an insert that includes, of course, you have the pin, right? A phone case, some paperwork. I know you want to read them anyway. Ooh, this is like Mi 11 Ultra design style, right? Just put it here. Alright, and then the phone. Woo! Holy smoke! Type-C cable. Okay, and a 67 turbocharged. That's it. Now let's get to the phone. Poco X4 Pro 5G. 120Hz Full HD Plus. 108 megapixel Pro grade main camera. Snapdragon 5G processor. Let's just wait and give you a quick phone tour on top. Ooh! On top you see one thing I really like is the infrared blaster and what's the mic and 3.5mm headphone jack. I'm okay with this. You can take it off whatever because I have many earbuds. And the speaker, nothing on this side. The power key, volume rocker, and speaker, Type-C port, charging port, and let me check the SIM card. You might want to know because each time people will ask this, like, what's the SIM card? Does it support SD card expansion? Okay, yeah, it does support SD card expansion. Ooh, that's nice. You can either put two SIM cards as well. Not bad, man. And also we can see there's a rubber thing here, so it should be some sort of a waterproof or something. All right, and at the back, Jesus, this looks, man, this build quality is freaking good. And this is the camera module for the camera specifics, for the specific specs of the camera module. Just listed here, okay? Listed here, okay? It's MIUI version 13 global. For the MIUI 13, I've already done a video about it. You can check it out if you want. Device name and storage is 128 gigs available. Okay, and Android version it's 11. All specs, okay, 6 plus 2 gigs RAM, and CPU is Snapdragon 695. Almost 400K. CPU, GPU, MEM, UX. What really impressed me is the temperature control. Like the highest one is just 32 degrees Celsius. That's crazy. That's pretty much about it. And the refresh rate. Okay, you can choose 120Hz refresh rate. That is crazy. Alright, my favorite song. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, finally about my conclusions for the Poco X4 Pro. My real honest opinion, I gotta say it is a well-built quality phone. I mean, you see, check out the build quality, check out the glass, check out the bezel. Man, this is a good made phone. This is good one, and you see even the selfie camera, it's smaller than some of the phones on the market. But for me, I really don't like it and won't consider this phone at all. Only for one reason, the camera performance. Well, it has an okay performance when we are lit environment, as you can see these photos, but not in those darker situations. Just too much noisy, too grainy, and most importantly, the video footage is really bad. It only supports 1080p, 30 fps, no stabilization. Definitely not good for a videographer like me, because I always want a phone to be my side camera whenever I shoot a video. But maybe for most of you don't care about the camera and you don't take videos or photos that much, that's okay. This is a really good phone. You got 120 Hz refresh rate, that's crazy. You got a 5000 milliamp battery, and of course you got a good build quality. I think this one is made for you. And you know, it's 5G. And if you are interested in this phone, you can check the link in the description. And special thanks to my friend Sammy for lending me this phone for this unboxing. I'm Sammy and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.